know an easy way to know when your coffee's ready to drink? Well, I've got a life hack for you. Well, let's get to the life hack. I want to make this my temperature, so what you're going to need is a food thermometer. So all we're going to do is we're going to turn it on, and then we're going to wait to see how hot our coffee is right now. Then we're going to wait however long it takes to get it to our ideal temperature. Mine will be 130 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 54 Celsius. The average temperature for coffee is from 120 degrees to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's see how this goes. Turn it on, and now let's put it in my coffee. So now my coffee is 54 degrees Celsius and is ready to drink. Delicious. So, in this video, I'll be making a new segment in which I thank some of my biggest YouTube friends. So today's will be That Unicorn Got Positive Vibes, That Unicorn. Love the name, by the way. You always write such great comments on my channel. And TiffyTube. You've been there for me since the very, very beginning. Thank you so much. And finally, Jemima Hussein. Remember, dab on them haters.
Girl, we getting faded over there. We made it over.